myself Savita Alfred welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy Vidya. Students, today I am going to teach you Standard 6 English Chapter 3, the starting point and its question answer. So, let's see question number 1. Students, I have not written question. You write question from your book and answers you can write from here. So, let's see question number 1. What was the big treat that Milkha looked forward to? Why does he call it a big treat? What was the big treat that Milkha looked forward to? So, the big treat that Milkha looked forward to was getting a glass of milk every day during training. He calls it a big treat because he belonged to a poor family and did not get the opportunity in his childhood to drink milk. So he called it a big treat. Question number 2 is, luck was with me that day. Do you think it was merely luck that helped Milkha Singh that day? Why or why not? So answer, no. I think it was not merely luck. This was his best effort and his hard work that he gave it 6 miles race. Because first he ran fast, then rest. So it was all his efforts that helped Milkha Singh that day. Question number 3 is, who was Gurudev? Why was Milkha Singh so grateful to him? So, who was Gurudev? Answer number 3. Gurudev was a Havaldar and Milkha Singh's instructor. Milkha Singh was so grateful to him because he strongly believed that Gurudev had played an important role in motivating him to strive to become a world-class athlete. Question number 4. So running a quarter mile was far too easy. Why did the speaker find it so easy to run a quarter mile? Why then did he continue to train hard? What did this practice help him achieve? Answer, the speaker found it so easy to run a quarter mile because he was used to run 6 miles every day during his training. Even then, he continued to train hard because he wanted to improve his time, and this practice helped him to run a quarter mile in less than a minute. So students, our question number 5 is, they had an air of power and prestige about them. Who was the speaker talking about? Why did these people have an air of power and prestige about them? So answer is, they had an air of power and prestige about them. The speaker was talking about athletes who had represented India in international sporting events. These people have an air of power and prestige about them because they were the best athletes of India. Now students, our question number 6 is, what rule of thumb did Milkha Singh follow in practicing for the 400-meter race? Why does he call it a rule of thumb? Answer is, the rule of thumb Milkha Singh followed in practicing for the 400-meter race was that first he would run one round at the highest speed possible, then you will put comma here, rest for a while and then run another one. He calls it a rule of thumb because that was a practical way based on experience, though it may not be technically correct. Students, our last question is, how did Milkha Singh's meeting with Brigadier S.P. Vora change his life? What, in your opinion, could have made Brigadier S.P. Vora take these decisions to help Milkha Singh? So our answer number 7 is, Milkha Singh's meeting with Brigadier S.P. Vora changed his life as follows. This gave him more time to practice. Number 2, he was given better facilities. You will put here comma. A nutritious diet and a special attention was paid to his training to become a world-class athlete. In my opinion, Milkha Singh's passion to become a good athlete could have made Brigadier S.P. Vora take these decisions to help Milkha Singh. So students, today I have taught you question answers of chapter 3, the starting point. So write down it in your classwork copy and learn it. Thank you.